Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, I open a file of employee sales report and I want to remove duplicates in it. So how can we do that? First we highlight the duplicate data, so you need to select your whole data. And then in the Home tab, here you can find the option Conditional Formatting. Click on it. Then select the first option, Highlight Cells Rules. And from these options, select the last option, Duplicate Values. And our all duplicates values are highlighted. You can highlight it in any color that you want. And press OK. Now let's remove duplicates. Once again, select All Data. And then go to Data tab. And here you can find the option, Remove Duplicates. Click on it. And then press OK. And that's it. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can remove duplicates from Excel. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.